Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful bronzy makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead with my foundation first. And I really do feel like it looks yellow on me, but it's okay because I do fix it with concealer and bronzer and everything. So it does kind of work out. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my face with my e.l.f. sponge. And I'm actually getting ready to toss this one out because honestly it's already so old and it is ugly. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this out all over my face and make sure that everything is really nice and blended. I want to make sure that the whole coverage that I'm gonna get is on my cheeks. I really like having full coverage on my cheeks, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. And then just kind of blend that out a little bit onto my neck. Alright, so then I'm going to move on to concealer. I am using the Too Faced concealer in Vanilla, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes, my chin, Cupid's bow, bridge of the nose, and forehead. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this out again with the same sponge. You want to make sure that your sponge it is damped, because if not, it's going to absorb all the product and then your makeup is not going to look as smooth as you want it, and you're gonna have to start all over. So definitely make sure that your sponge is damp and not super wet or dry. So I'm just making sure everything is really nice and blended. I do like to take my time doing this. I did have to fast forward a little bit because I was doing it kind of slow. So yeah. Then I'm going with my Peach Perfect setting powder, and I'm going to apply this under the eyes first, and then I do wherever I applied concealer. So I do apply it on my nose, and I make sure I really do apply enough around my nose because that's where I usually get oily. And using this product always makes me stay matte, so that's why I always use this product, and I always go back to it because when I go ahead and I try a different product, it's always a fail. And since I'm going to a makeup event, I wanted to make sure that my face stayed matte all day. So then I switched to a Morphe brush, and I use this to set the rest of my face and then kind of just blend any excess powder that I have under the eyes and everything, just to make sure. So today we're using the new Morphe 35G bronzer palette, and I'm using this camelish color, and I'm going to apply this on my crease with a Morphe brush. And you can definitely use Pretttygrace for some money off. Definitely check me out on my Snapchat. I usually post on there when they're coming out with new products, or when the products are coming out. I definitely remind you guys, and I do put my discount code if you guys are interested in getting a discount. So yeah, definitely use Pretttygrace for some money off, either on Morphe online or Morphe stores. So yeah, I'm just applying this all over my crease, making sure that I blend it. I do kind of smoke it out a little bit more, and I do bring it up a little bit. But if you don't like that, you can definitely tone it down and not bring it up so high as I did. Alright, so then I'm going to go with this darker brown shade, and I do get like a little card or something, and I'm just going to use this as a guide to help me keep the color where I want it. I did extend it a little bit because I did do it in the other eye, but when I applied the eyeliner, I had to kind of clean it up a little bit, but it's okay, so I just decided to keep going. You do want to darken the outer corner. That's what I did. That's what I kind of wanted the smokiness to be in the outer corner of the eye, so yeah. And if you guys want, I will list the brushes that I use for this video in the bottom bar, and probably link them if that's easier for you guys. If you guys think it's easier for me to link the brushes, I'll definitely do that. And then I'm going with another brush and applying that color, like a bronzy color, and I'm going to apply this right onto my lid. And I am using a brush with a little bit of setting spray just to help me control that shadow a little bit more so I don't get that much fallout. Then I went with this gold shade and applied it in the inner corner. So I kind of wanted to go from light to like dark kind of thing. So that's what I'm doing here. So you just want to take your time doing this, and it doesn't have to be a cut crease or anything, but it kind of does look like one. But yeah. Anyways, I'm going to move on to eyeliner. I hate this part because if I mess up the eyeliner, I definitely mess up the whole look. So I've been trying to practice more on my eyeliner because eyeliner definitely is not my strong. So yeah. So I kind of think I did a little bit okay, but then I don't know. I felt like it kind of went a little too inwards. But anyways, I'm going to apply my lashes. These are the Cocoa Lashes and Goddess. And these are my favorites. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them a little bit and then apply these lashes onto my eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this lash dry. I do like to push it in and make sure that it is bonding with my real lashes. And I'm going to go ahead and move on with the rest of my face. So I'm going to be using this same brown shade that I used, and I'm just going to apply this in the bottom lash line with a pencil brush. I have no idea where this brush is from. I'll try to find it and let you guys know. Then I'm going with that same camel-y color and just kind of blend that color out. And I'm kind of just smoking it out just so that I have like a really smoky under eye. Then I went with a Urban Decay eyeliner and applied this white into my waterline. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go with the black eyeliner, but I feel like when I use a black eyeliner, I kind of look crazy. So I decided to just do a dark brown. Then I'm just applying a little bit of gold onto the brow bone just to give me a little bit of a highlight. Then just going back with that same camel color just to kind of blend everything together and make sure I don't have anything harsh or anything. I'm going to apply my mascara from Milk Makeup, the Kush Mascara. And then, so I'm excited to be using the new Morphe bronzers. I wanted to use that brush that comes with it, but I felt like it was too big. It's more like for your body. So I decided to use another Morphe angled brush and apply the lighter shade first. And then I'm going to go with the darker shade and apply this right on the outer part, like next to my ears, just to darken that up a little bit more. And then I'm just going to go back with a brush and blend everything. I want it to look very bronzy. So that's why I did this, and I really loved how this look came out. And let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And let me know if you guys got any of the products from Morphe. Let me know if you guys have used them, if you like them, what do you guys think? Because honestly, I've been really liking the bronzers. And I'm just contouring my nose a little bit with a Morphe brush and the same bronzers as well. And yeah, sorry, I was fixing the camera because it was kind of too bright. So I'm just applying some setting powder around my nose just to set it, and then I'm just going to go back with a brush and blend everything out to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. Alright, moving on, I'm going to be using the drops from Morphe. These are new as well. They came with the same collection. I will list the name in the bottom bar for you guys because I have no idea which drops are these, but look how pretty that look, just to give you like that little glow. And I really like how it looks, so I was like, okay, let's just keep going, and it looks really nice. You want to make sure that your beauty blender is damped to apply this, and don't push too hard because you don't want your foundation or anything to separate. So I've had that happen in the past with other products, and it didn't happen with this one, so I was really excited about it. Alright, so I'm just going back and making sure that I apply as much as I want because I really want it to be glowy and bronzy, so this helps a lot and I really liked it. So I'm just going back and blending out the setting powder that I put, and then just make sure that everything is really nice and blended. For lips, I'm using the Smashbox color. I really wanted to use something with color, but I wanted to keep it nude, so I kind of just picked this color. I don't even know why, but it looks really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a top gloss from the Morphe, and this is a bronzery color, so you guys can see it looks really nice with this lip. And yeah, this is basically it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.